My name is Sonia Barlow. I'm the founder of Like-Minded Females, and I'm so grateful that you all could make it here for this workshop, which, as I'm sure we all know, is super important. So today's workshop, I can guarantee you that we're going to have some honest conversations. You're going to go home learning and taking away real action points, which you can start implementing short-term and long-term to overcome negative thoughts. And most importantly, you're going to go home with a sense of community and confidence, which you most likely didn't have coming into this room.
So this is around overcoming your self-image, and I wanted to give you a bit more information about me. So my name is Mamta Gera. It means mother's love in Hindi, and I'm the UK CEO and leadership consultant. But before we begin, I want to do a little icebreaker. So I just want you to, you probably have already, I want you to introduce yourself to the person sitting next to you, your name, what you do, and also give each other a compliment. It's important to realise that your self-image runs through your entire being. So it's really important to know that self-image is important, and also that it can be changed. Sometimes we think we are who we are, we can't change it, but actually we can.